I'm Ray. Welcome to Ray's Toolbox. Today we have some bifold doors in the hallway. They've been here for quite a while. It's time to replace them, update them if you will. We're going to put in some sliding barn doors so we can just slide them open and get to the furnace and the storage behind whatever we need to get to. So stick around, we'll see how easy this is to do. To the left of the doors we have a coat rack that I need to move. I'm going to have to take that off and find a place for it later. For the door to slide on the track, I have a couple things in the way. Smoke detector, I'm going to move up a little bit higher, and then the doorbell, I'm going to also have to move up a little bit higher. Get them above the door so they're not in the way when the door opens. The first order of business was, of course, to remove the old doors and then take the track down that they slid in. The bifold doors was recessed just about a ½ an inch, so I needed to fill that spot in. So I thought this type of lumber would match the doors pretty good. It's just the right thickness to fill everything out. In order to center the doors right in the middle, I didn't want to mark on the new lumber, so I put a piece of masking tape up so I can mark on it and wouldn't hurt the finish on anything. Now that I know where the halfway mark is, it's time to put the rail up in place and mark where the studs are. I had to drill a couple of holes in the bars to match the studs, but it wasn't too bad. After the holes were drilled in the right place, I had to pre-drill a few holes into the studs and use the lag screws to fasten the rail in place. The rail came with a spacer that was just the right thickness to keep it away from the wall so the doors would fit nice. A couple of days before I started putting the rails up, I took the time to stain the doors a nice golden oak that matches everything in the house. After the stain had time to dry, it was time to put on a coat of polyurethane to protect the doors. Then after that dried, it was time to put the rollers on the top of the door. The door came with very good instructions to tell you exactly where to put the rollers at when you fasten them to the door. The tracks came with a stop to keep the doors from rolling off the ends, so if you take the stops off, it was really easy to get the doors in place. The only bad part about putting barn doors in the hallway, you really can't get back far enough to get a good picture to appreciate it. We found some matching handles to put on the doors, so they tied everything into place really nice. And the video just took a couple minutes, but it took a couple days to get the entire project finished. But it wasn't hard to do at all. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't had a chance to subscribe to our channel yet, please do so. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.